Hey Mark, it's Les. Send in Blue, my account dashboard. I'm just going slowly through this so you can take a look at it. You don't have to pull it up on your computer. And I want you to see a couple of things. Where is it? Statistics. Okay, I just want you to know that I do have a paid account. I pay $25 a month. The next bill is on May 20th. I just paid one a couple of days ago. And for that amount of money, I get 20,000 emails per month. But the problem is, of course, when I put it in Prospect Rocket, after a couple of hundred, I don't know what the number is, 300 something, um, Prospect Rocket won't take any more. It won't. It gives me a message, an error message, saying that I can't put that many in, or I have to check on what I'm putting in. Anyway, I don't know what I have to change in Prospect Rocket, and that's why I asked you a couple of days ago if you want me to put another email address, another sending email address out there, if that would help. But I'm pretty sure I'm going to get out roughly about 1,000 emails a month, maybe a little bit more than that. Certainly not 20,000, but I would like to get to 1,000 a month, um, or more. So, anyway, that's my story. Thank you very much. Um, just run through this slow so you can see it. I don't know what push notifications are per month. Add push no. I have no idea what that is. And lastly, this is my last pass. The username is Bernie Novelty Inc. at Gmail, and the site password is, oops, sorry about that. There we go again. Site password HAR12ING. Thank you, boss. Look forward to hearing you. Thank you. I've got one more question on Prospect Rocket, and there's probably a video somewhere. I just don't remember seeing it. But when I'm putting stuff into Prospect Rocket, let's say it says I put in 200 new emails, and I've got 25 duplicate emails, and so on. I'm not sure what to do with those duplicate emails. I would like to send them out, the same email that I'm sending, but I'm not sure if they're going out, um, with the other emails I just put in. I tried putting a new tag on just those emails, and it doesn't seem to do anything. So just tell me with the duplicate emails, how am I sending those out also? Thanks.